So he started buying shoes, and out of a sudden now he knows it all. He's the expert. He's the one that has been through the trenches when it comes to the sneaker game. Everybody knows one of those type of individuals. Let's get into the topic as soon as possible, because we ain't got time to waste. Roll my intro. That's right, guys. Everybody in this world knows one of those individuals that just started buying sneakers 2 or 3 years ago, and out of a sudden, they know it all. I personally consider those are newborns, guys. Those are newborns. No, we can even talk about the ones that have gotten into it 5, 6 years ago that have no idea the things that the cats in the 80s, 90s, and the 2000s had to go through. They have no idea whatsoever. They don't know what it is to do a line across a whole mall, and maybe right when you get your shoes, something horrific happens. Because that's the way we had to go get these shoes. There was no such thing as sneakers app, and there was definitely none of the let me just go in the internet and let me learn the history of a shoe. That's the worst part of it all, guys. That they just go straight into the internet, and out of a sudden now they want to school the people that have been into this forever in what to collect, what not to collect, what is good and what is not good. Guys, when we started buying shoes, we didn't even care what kind of a material the shoe was. Nobody cared about that. Nobody thought about that. We just wanted those new Jordans, those new Air Forces, those new Reeboks, whatever you were into at the moment. Now is, bro, look at the quality. Bro, these came out in 2011 when they have just been collecting for a few years. They came out in 2011, 2010. They have never been retroed when you are the person that actually went to buy them, were there, and actually probably didn't even get to buy them because the lines were so big and they all sold out. No, now they're the ones that know it all. They're the experts at this. That's exactly what has happened to the sneaker community. And that is thanks to the internet that makes all these individuals into these keyboard warriors and keyboard knowledgeable guys, if that even makes sense to you. They all have the knowledge. They all have, they're the almighties. Dude, you're a rookie. You're a newbie. You should sit down with the cats that have been doing this for 15, 20, 25, 30 years of getting into this game, that have lived through all this, that had to take those lines, that sometimes you even got a beat down for those pair of sneakers. Cats trying to jack you up. You don't know anything about that, son. You're rookie. You're a newborn. What you got to do is stick to your lane. And when you find someone in this world that has been doing this for decades, get the knowledge that wasn't learned through the internet or looking at these fraudulent ass cats on YouTube that literally have no idea about anything else but a pair of Jordans. Because that's all they know about. But that is the reality of all this, guys. The reality of it is how people just cannot stick to their lane. How they just disrespect people that have been doing this for decades. And they automatically think they know more than everybody else. Not just those individuals. I've met people in this world that have 2 pairs in a few months. And they're already saying, no, because I'm looking at this, and then the thing is that in 2006, and bro, shut up. Shut up. I've been there, done that, son. Let me school you a little bit. That's the reality. Something like I said in one of my last videos. Bitch, get your mind right. Let me talk to you. That's the reality of this. Get your mind right. You haven't been through those trenches. You haven't been through it. You don't know what it is to go and look for them shoes that nobody has. Going and searching and doing that footwork. You have no idea about it. You just came up with some cheddar. Go and click a little button on the internet and you got yourself your shoes. Whoa, bro. What a real badass. Man, I've been missing out all along. Incredible. Yeah, that was satire, guys. Just in case they don't even realize what the hell I'm doing right now. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. And stay away from those idiots. Peace. El cohete y el machete afilado.